So to take a screenshot on your Mac, you have to press Shift plus Command plus number 3. So on your keyboard, press Shift, Command, along with that press number 3, and it will take a screenshot of the whole screen. You can click on it, and on the bottom right you will find it, and you can access the screenshot. The location is desktop, so in my case the desktop is the location. You can make a double click, and this is where you can find the screenshot. Now if you want to take only the portion of the screen, in that case you have to press Shift, Command plus number 4. So on the keyboard, press Shift, Command and number 4, and then you can select the portion which you want, and then you can release it, and then on the bottom right again you will find the screenshot. You can close this, you can access it on the desktop, you will find the screenshot. So this is how you can take the screenshot on your Mac. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.